Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for a job at KFC online. Alright, so you want to jump into global.kfc.com, and I really do suggest that you do this with a full stomach. Alright, because you're going to see some food and it's going to get crazy. Right from this page, go and click on careers at the top. And here you will find you can enter some keywords for your job role and also select your team. So that'll either be marketing, development, or finance. And then you can search for jobs. However, if you do come down over here, you will be able to click on the search jobs over here under their meet our team. And over here, you will see some of their jobs that are available. So currently there are 6 jobs that are showing up on my search. And just for example, we're going to click on view job. All right. So it'll take a few seconds to load. You'll land up on this page. Here you will see on the left, there is an apply now. Now, before you go and click on apply now, scroll down, have a look at what exactly the role involves. So read through all of this, make sure that you are the person for this role. And if you are, go ahead and click on apply now. On this next page, you will see that it does say you don't need to have an account. So all you need to do is just add an email address to get started and agree to the terms of service. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Click on next on the bottom right hand side of the screen. And right over here, you will see there are a few options in terms of wanting or needing to apply. So you need to import a profile. So first of all, you can either import a resume that'll be in a PDF format. So that should be on your device if you have one. You can also apply with Indeed. So you can actually just connect your Indeed profile right over here. And in that way, all the information that's on your Indeed profile will just be imported to this job submission. And then the same applies with LinkedIn. My personal advice is go to LinkedIn, create an account, and make sure that that LinkedIn account is amazing. All right, put all the relevant information that you need to add in there that you can. Make sure that it looks good and apply with your LinkedIn profile no matter where you go and apply for a job. Use your LinkedIn because that means you can do everything from one space, optimize one profile, and everything is a whole lot easier and smoother. So once you've uploaded this resume, you're going to add in all of your contact information, your personal information as you go down here, phone number, address, all of the information, your tax district, education, work history, add whatever work history you have had in the past that is relevant to this job. And then your resume attachment, you want to either upload a resume over here, and you could also upload a cover letter. So my suggestion is if you have uploaded any one of these options in this section, upload a cover letter to motivate your application. Go down over here. You want to make sure that you are reading through this. Make sure that you are checking the correct and appropriate boxes. Choose your gender, application questions, and just enter all of the information in as best as you can and click on submit. And hopefully you're the guy for the job or the girl. Within the next few days, or even may even take a little bit longer than a few days, you may get a response, and then you would maybe do an interview. I hope this was helpful.